Hello, in this video, I'm going to share with you the new AI way to grow on LinkedIn. My name is Charles K. Davis, owner of Serial Design Effects digital marketing company. I create digital marketing campaigns for entrepreneurs and companies. I work with several entrepreneurs and companies launching campaigns that generated 6 to 7 figure revenue. I work with the U.S. State Department and Washington, D.C. I've spent 30 years working with Fortune 500 companies in the information technology field. I'm a certified brand strategist by Level C, created by Marty Newmeyer. Currently, I'm living in Cebu, Philippines as a digital nomad. I'm working on my YouTube channel helping entrepreneurs develop digital marketing campaigns, and I help entrepreneurs build brands and create a lifestyle they love to live. I've had to rebrand my career several times, especially during these crisis times, but it's really exciting to do that now with AI. I'm going to give you 3 things that you can do, and the last 2 are going to be AI driven, and you're going to be surprised with what you're going to be able to do. The first thing you need to do is optimize your LinkedIn profile. But here's the thing that you need to understand is that your LinkedIn banner is the most valuable piece of real estate on your personal brand page. This here one is mine. Let's look at it. I'm telling people exactly what to do or not to do. It says, don't hire me unless you want an amazing brand. I'm giving you my credentials. I've been in Branders Magazine. I'm on Neil Patel's channel. And there's my Level C certification. More importantly, you want to focus on the benefits. If they're going to look further, they have to know what they're going to be getting. Here I say I fast track your brand, meaning I'm going to get done with it fast. I'm an executive brand strategist. I work with executives to make them the face of their brand. I show that I'm owner of my own company and my other credentials of 30 years working with Fortune 500s, and I let them know I'm available as a fractional CMO. That is the first thing you have to do for your LinkedIn brand. If they don't go any further, the next 2 steps I'm going to show you are not going to be worth anything. The next step I want to show you is this. Stop the scroll. Unlock underpriced attention. Discover how your brand can stand out. Gary Vee pointed out that underpriced attention, right now, people are running to videos. They're doing these video shorts on LinkedIn, but they're starting to look like commercials. What do we do with commercials? We skip them. They're becoming so common, people are skipping them. So now your content has to be something different, differentiation. That's what I'm showing you here. Stop the cross scroll. I'm gonna show you something about this product. It's really gonna surprise you. The attention crisis. Predictable patterns. People run for the next shiny object, which was videos, but what it did was it left a void because people have such a short attention span. Unless you give them something that's gonna grab their attention, they're gonna swipe right past you. And that means all that other stuff, the boring graphics that they use on LinkedIn, that's not getting the engagement anymore either. Swipe fatigue. People are getting tired. They want to see something that's going to give them answers, teach them, show them something, and then they can move on. These are business owners, and that gives you, as a consultant or a small brand, an advantage. Animated carousels is the hidden gold mine. It goes beyond the static images. It's something to occupy the need for visual stimulation while I'm presenting the content. Just like you see me doing this here, this becomes a YouTube video. It becomes a presentation video for LinkedIn and much more. It allows me to present information in an entertaining way and has the power to stop the scroll. If you remember the first one, that was an animation. And this here was created with a product called Gamma AI, and it has some amazing powers and tactics that will cut your content creation time and web development time in half. The thing that's unique about this is that you have to understand what your brand archetype is. My brand archetype, this here follows my brand identity archetype as being different, allowing me to stand out. I'm a creative. So my content must be representative of what my banner image was talking about. Here's the secret formula: differentiation. That's what this is all about. How is your brand different? How are you going to be what are the benefits to the consumer of your content? Because first they're a consumer before they're a client. So we have to appeal to that entertaining aspect. We call it edutainment. You have to appeal to the visual stimulation before they'll even look at your content. It's just like teachers. We always had them boring teachers that want to give up in lectures. It was the one that did something with creative presentations that really taught us the most. That's what you want to do. The real results. If you look carefully at statistics, so the generic videos versus static posts, branded graphics, and animated carousels are going to rule the day because it's different. And when you can be visually stimulating, we're visually oriented people, they'll remember more. How can I help you? I'm the owner of Serio Design FX. I can help you develop your visual identity for your archetype. And then using the tools that I teach my clients, you'll be able to do this for yourself. Are you ready to stop the scroll? Notice this. That's an animation of a woman. This thing is full of videos. It's so unique, it's something else. And it's a product called Gamma AI. There's a link in the description that I'm going to leave there so you can jump in there and start doing this right now. The next one is really going to blow your mind. This product here, when I found it, this is Captions AI. And what it does for my LinkedIn saves me an immense amount of time. Let me show you. Now, what's so unusual about this is it's managing my LinkedIn profile for Serio Design FX. It is generating these avatars, these AI videos based on reading my content and my website. And then it creates these automatically and it schedules them for me. You can actually input a video of yourself and it will create the video with you in it as the avatar. So you could actually use it yourself. LinkedIn CEOs and executive directors no longer have to sit up there and try to think about making videos. They can make their own videos and put it in captions, and it will use their image and start recreating other videos based on the content that it reads from your website. But here's something else I wanted to show that I had skipped. Let's go back here. Exit this. Now I want to show you something. When I export this, it has a unique feature. If you see down here, Gamma AI, it has some unique features that will cut your time. Imagine you make those presentations and you can turn it into an asset that you can use over and over again. And here it is, it can post directly to LinkedIn. This is Gamma AI, and the other one is Captions AI. I'm going to leave the links in the description so that you can try them for yourself. But more importantly, I want to show you this. If you see here what I have, not only will this thing share it to LinkedIn, it will take this content and it will you can automatically take the same thing and put it on a website and it'll do it automatically. This here's the one I'm working on, personal brand mistakes that could be killing your success. And it's going to be a web page, but it's also going to be part of my social media. It's also going on LinkedIn, all from this one product. So if you use these techniques, you will be able to amplify your personal brand, whether you're a consultant, a coach, or an executive, and grow your brand on LinkedIn. I'm going to leave a link in the description of how to get to this presentation in a PDF form, and you can get to the AI product. Click like and click share. And if you want to work with me, I'm going to leave a link in the description.